Okay, here we have a topic, graphical solution of equation, exercise 1b, question number 3. It's from book 4, chapter number 1. The question is, using a scale of 2 cm to represent 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 cm to represent 1 unit on the y-axis, draw the graph of y is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8 for minus 5 less than and equal to x less than and equal to 3. By adding a suitable straight line to your graph, solve each of the following equations graphically. First of all, we will see the values of x. The range of values of x are given in the question. It's from minus 5 till 3. So here I have taken x values minus 5, minus 4, minus 3 and so on. Similarly, I have substituted these x values in the given function y is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8. One by one I substituted these x values in this function and I have got these y values. Now with the help of these x and y values we will plot the graph. The scale of the graph is already given in the question. So on x-axis we will take 2 cm to represent 1 unit and on y-axis we will take 1 cm to represent 1 unit. Okay, so I have marked all these points on the graph, okay, already, and I have marked these calculated points also on this graph paper. So here if I check the first value, it's 7 on minus 5. So the value of x is minus 5 and the value of y is 7. See, here I have marked this point. When the value of x is minus 5, the value of y is 7. I have marked this point and similarly I have marked all the remaining points. See, here I have drawn this curve. Now we will discuss the remaining parts of this question. The remaining parts, they were saying to draw the suitable straight line on the same graph paper. Here the first part is a is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So if I do the comparison of this left hand side with the given function y, okay, so this left hand side is equal to this function x squared plus 2x minus 8. In the given function it's equal to y. So in place of x squared plus 2x minus 8 we can substitute y. So y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means the line x-axis, because the equation of the x-axis is y is equal to 0. Now if we check the x values on our graph, see here we will get these two answers from the graph paper. Here our curve is crossing the x-axis. So on this point the value of x is 2 and on this point the value of x is minus 4. Okay, so the solution of this part is x is equal to 2 and minus 4. Now we will see the next part of the question. In the next part they are saying part B is x squared plus 2x is equal to 5. X squared plus 2x is equal to 5. Now we will make this left hand side as y is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8. So our left hand side should be equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8. If it is not, then we will make it. How we can make it minus 8? Because only minus 8 is missing from the left hand side. Other than this value, the two remaining values are already here, which are x squared plus 2x. So if I subtract 8 from here. So we will do the same operation on the right hand side also. Now x square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to y. So this left hand side of the equation is equal to y, and when we subtract 5 from 8, it's minus 3. Now we will draw the y is equal to minus 3 line on the graph. So here we have drawn y is equal to minus 3 line. Where this line is crossing our graph, we will check the x values from these 2 points. Now let's see if we mark the x value from here till the graph. The answer is minus 3.5. And similarly, we will check the next value on the graph. So here the x value is 1.5. So we have got two x values, minus 3.5 and 1.5. So these two values is the solution of this answer. Minus 3.5 and 1.5. It's answer of part B. Now let's see what is part C. In part C we have x square is equal to 8. X square is equal to 8. Now the given function y is x square plus 2x minus 8. Okay, so if I shift this 8 on the left hand side, it will be x square minus 8 is equal to 0. Now what is missing in this to make it y? Plus 2x is missing. So it means we will add plus 2x in this to make it y. And do remember, we cannot only add plus 2x in the equation, we will do the same operation on the right hand side as well. Now this part is equal to y. Now y is equal to 2x. Here we have an equation of a straight line because it's a linear equation. Okay, the values of x are given in the question. The x range is from minus 5 till 3. So we can substitute any 2x values in this equation to find the values of y. Where our graph crosses the curve, like these intersecting points will be the answer of this part. So we will read these two values on the x-axis. Here the value is 3, and from here the value is minus 2.8. Okay, so the solution of this part is x is equal to minus 2.8 and x is equal to 3. Now we will see the last part of this question. The last part is x square plus 5x minus 9 is equal to 0. X square plus 5x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now again we will make this left hand side as y. If we do the comparison of this side with the given function, we already have x square here. How we can convert 5x into 2x? We will subtract 3x from this to make it 2x. Okay, so do remember that we cannot do one operation on the left hand side only, we will do same operation on the right hand side also. So here we have also subtracted minus 3x. Now here we have minus 9. How we can make it minus 8? Okay, we need minus sign and we need 8 also. Then what we should add into this to make it minus 8? So we will add plus 1 into this to make it minus 8. Now let's see if we simplify the left hand side. It's x square plus 2x minus 8 And if we added plus 1 here, we will do the same operation on the right hand side also. So it's minus 3x plus 1. Now this left hand side is equal to y. So y is equal to minus 3x plus 1. Similarly, we will take 2x values from this table, okay, and substitute to find the values of y. So from here, if you read the answer, it will give you 1.4. So the solution of this part is 1.4. So if we write x value here, the value of x is 1.4. So it will be the answer of this part. So do remember, if we have these type of parts and we have to draw the straight line on the graph paper, one by one we will take each part and then we will keep the left hand side and make the left hand side equal to y. So on the right hand side we will get the straight line equation. When we get the straight line equation, we will draw all these straight line on the graph, and where are these lines intersecting the y-axis, we will read the x values from those points and it will be the solution of that part. Thank you.